This module is to train those tasked with installing Shop-Along on shopping carts, including cart maintenance company technicians and store personnel. The objective of this module is to help these installers understand the importance of the work they do and how to install the Shop-Along. First, we'll start off with what the Shop-Along is and why it's necessary. The Shop-Along attaches to your existing cart and was designed to accommodate the widest possible age range while maximizing shopping capacity that today's modern family needs. It can be used in conjunction with the Safe Dock to accommodate families shopping with car seat carriers. The Shop-Along was designed to allow families to have seating for up to 3 people. Any combination of baby, toddler, child, or teenager. Without the proper equipment, families are forced into unsafe practices. Kids end up sitting inside the basket or standing on the end of the shopping cart, which is unsafe. Thousands of accidents occur with shopping carts every year, and even the warning on your shopping cart seat flap says not to do this. Unlike traditional kiddie carts, the Shop-Along allows families to use the full basket and lower tray of the existing shopping cart while allowing a generous space under the seat for more bulky items, increasing basket ring from your most profitable shopper. With its wide bench seat, the Shop-Along assists customers of all ages, including adults up to 250 pounds, helping families shopping with older kids, elderly parents, and anyone medically disabled or with special needs. Understanding the massive advantages in the design of the Shop-Along to better accommodate today's modern families over, say, just a simple kiddie cart, helps you make a smarter choice for your customers and your stores. Before you begin the installation, please identify and confirm that all parts listed are present. Our standard installation kit includes 1 Shop-Along seat, 1 pre-assembled hitch tube, 4 narrow U-bolts, 4 wide U-bolts, 6 flange bolts, 6 washers, 8 flat washers, 8 nylon nuts, 8 acorn nuts. In addition, you will need to know what make and model shopping cart that you are installing the Shop-Along on. There are many different styles of shopping carts. Some of them may require additional or special parts for Shop-Along to install properly. We'll review these different hitch types at the end of this video so you'll know which one you need. Tools needed: open end wrench, 1/2 inch and 9/16 inch. Socket wrench, 1/2 inch and 9/16 inch. Adjustable wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. Step 1. Position the Shop-Along on its side as shown. This can be done on the floor or on a table. Using 6 washers and 6 Phillips flange bolts, attach the pre-assembled hitch tube to the Shop-Along by inserting a flange bolt into the washer, then through the tube into the Shop-Along. Note: for proper installation, ensure the bend in the hitch tube will angle towards the floor once installed. Loosely install all 6 of the bolts. The open ends of the hitch tube should be pointing toward the casters at the back of the Shop-Along. Once all 6 bolts are started, tighten all of the bolts. Return the Shop-Along to the upright position. Loosen the 4 bolts on both sides of the hitch tube bracket. Only loosen until both sides of the bracket can be extended. Position the shopping cart in front of the Shop-Along. Comes with 2 sets of U-bolts, narrow and wide. To determine which U-bolts to use, try to place the narrow one around the chassis. If it goes around, use the narrow set. If it does not go around, use the wide set. To attach the Shop-Along to the shopping cart, lift the hitch tube bracket up to the chassis tube. Place the U-bolt on the outside of the lower chassis tube and through the holes of the hitch bracket. Place the flat washer and nylon lock nut onto each end of the U-bolt. Tighten loosely. Continue in this fashion for the remaining 3 U-bolts. There will be 2 per side of the shopping cart. Do not tighten until final adjustments are made. Step 3. Center the shop-along with the shopping cart. You may need to slide or push the shop-along into its centered position. Make certain the seat passes by the handle before tightening the adjustment bolts. Now you can equally tighten all the cart mounting hardware. The nylon lock nuts and U-bolts to 20 to 25 pounds per foot torque. Place an acorn nut on top of each of the nylon lock nuts on the U-bolts and tighten. Tighten the 4 bolts on both sides of the hitch tube brackets. Ensure that the shop-along is securely fastened to the shopping cart. Ensure the centering bolts are tightened as well. The completed installation should look like this. Please note, whether you're installing the Shop-Along 3 or the Shop-Along Mini, they are both installed in this same manner. Thank you for participating in the SafeStrap Shop-Along installation training. There are differences in the hitch types used during installation depending on chassis type of the cart the retailer is using. Next, we'll go over the hitch types and part numbers so you know what they are. SafeStrap makes 3 different hitch types to accommodate all cart models. Please ensure you are specifying the correct part number when you order Shop-Along for your stores depending on the cart chassis type. Let's review what they are. The first hitch we have is called our universal hitch and works on most models. The cart model exceptions that cannot use our universal hitch are the polymer all-plastic carts originated by Bemis and some of the carts made with a wide flat oval tube chassis by VersaCart. If you have a standard round tube type chassis on your carts, you will be able to apply the Shop-Along using our universal hitch, which has a part number ending in 1099. The second hitch we have is called our V-hitch and works on carts made with a wide, flat, oval tube chassis by VersaCart. If you have a cart made by VersaCart with a wide, flat, oval tube chassis that looks like this, you will be able to apply the Shop-Along using our V-hitch, which has a part number ending in 1099V. The last hitch we have is called our B-hitch and works on the polymer all-plastic carts originated by Bemis. If you have the polymer all-plastic carts originated by Bemis that look like this, you will be able to apply the Shop-Along using our B-hitch, which has a part number ending in BI99. Store managers and front-end staff should determine where these carts will be consistently kept and train the cart collection team to always return them to this spot so customers can easily access and take them with just one pull. Most retailers provide Shop-Along on at least 2% of their carts. Here's a tip for success. Be sure to apply SafeDock to at least some of your Shop-Along carts to assist families shopping with a baby. We hope this information has helped to clarify how to get the Shop-Along into your stores. If you have any issues in the field with the Shop-Along or have any questions at all, please give us a call at 1-800-356-7796. We're here to help. For further information about the Shop-Along and other safety equipment for the retail environment, visit www.safestrap.com.